In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock camping gear keywords for Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use Google's keyword planner to uncover high intent search terms for products like tents, sleeping bags, and camping backpacks, and how to bring those ideas into your campaigns. First, sign into your Google Ads account so you can access the planning tools. Once you're in, look to the top menu for the Tools and Settings icon. Under the Planning section, open Keyword Planner. This is where we'll research ideas grounded in real search behavior. Choose Discover New Keywords. You'll see two ways to begin. The first is to start with keywords. Type a few terms closely related to your products, such as tent, sleeping bag, camping backpack, or specific brands you carry. Keep it focused, think in themes. You don't need every variation because Google understands close matches, but try to cover major categories and any defining features like lightweight, four season, or waterproof. The second way is to start with a website. Paste a competitor's URL or your own site if you want to mine your catalog, and let the tools scan for relevant ideas. This is great for surfacing terms you might overlook. You can choose to use the entire site or a specific page if you want tighter relevance. Before pulling results, refine your targeting. Set the location and language that match your market so the data reflects the people you want to reach. If you sell only domestically, pick your country. If you serve multiple regions, you can add them now or explore them later. Click Get Results to generate your keyword ideas. You'll land on a table showing average monthly searches, competition, and suggested bid ranges. This is your playground. Sort by volume to find demand, and scan competition and bids to gauge how aggressive the auction is. Use filters to highlight buying intent, terms like buy, best, deal, or near me if relevant, and exclude unrelated topics that creep in. Check the trend chart to spot seasonality. Camping often spikes in warmer months, so you can plan budgets with that in mind. As you identify winners, select and add them to your plan or directly to an existing ad group. Keep similar items together, tents with tents, sleeping bags with sleeping bags, so your ads stay tightly matched to the search. Choose match types thoughtfully to balance reach and control. Finally, bring these keywords into your campaigns. Set initial bids informed by the suggested ranges and your goals. Write ad copy that echoes the top terms and features, and add obvious negatives to prevent wasted spend. That's it. Your camping gear keyword foundation is unlocked and ready to drive qualified traffic.